Did you know that nearly 20% of people admit to being chronic procrastinators? Whether it's work, studying, or even daily chores, procrastination can affect our productivity and stress levels more than we realize. Today, let's dive into why we procrastinate and, more importantly, learn actionable tips to help you overcome it for good. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the psychology behind procrastination, but also have a toolkit to stay focused and achieve your goals. Welcome to today's video, where we'll unravel the root causes of procrastination, what it's doing to your life, and the step-by-step techniques to kick the habit. If you're someone who struggles with getting things done, you're definitely not alone. Stick around because this guide could change how you approach work, life, and everything in between. Why do we procrastinate? FCS isn't just about poor time management. It's actually deeply rooted in our psychology. Studies show that procrastination is a way of avoiding negative feelings associated with a task, whether it's fear of failure, perfectionism, or simply feeling overwhelmed. Understanding why we delay tasks is the first step in overcoming it. Research shows that chronic procrastination can lead to increased stress and even poor mental health, making it more than just an innocent habit. When we put off tasks, we often face last-minute stress that can hurt our performance, leading to a cycle that's hard to break. Understanding this can help you recognize the patterns in your own life and stop procrastination before it starts. Breaking the procrastination cycle. Start by identifying your personal triggers. Are there specific tasks or times when procrastination hits the hardest? Knowing this will help you stay ahead of it. Use the 5-minute rule. If a task feels overwhelming, just commit to doing it for 5 minutes. Often, the hardest part is getting started, and once you begin, momentum makes it easier to continue. Break tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Large projects can feel daunting, but breaking them down and tackling one small piece at a time can make them feel more achievable. Developing a proactive mindset. Setting clear and achievable goals is crucial. When you know exactly what you're working towards, it's easier to avoid distractions and stay focused. Set daily or weekly goals that lead up to your larger objectives. Dedicate specific blocks of time to each task without allowing interruptions. This structured approach can help train your brain to stay focused and avoid procrastination. Strategies for staying focused. Eliminate distractions as much as possible. If you're working on a computer, try using browser extensions that block distracting websites, or simply put your phone in another room. Take regular breaks to refresh your mind. The Pomodoro technique, where you work for 25 minutes, and then take a 5-minute break, is a great way to maintain focus without feeling overwhelmed. Incorporate mindfulness techniques like deep breathing or a quick meditation session to help bring your focus back to the present moment. Maintaining momentum. Reward yourself for small wins. Celebrating achievements, no matter how small, creates a positive feedback loop, reinforcing your motivation and helping you stay on track. Build accountability. Whether it's telling a friend or setting up a reward system, having accountability can push you to complete tasks even when motivation is low. Track your progress. Reflect on the tasks you've completed, and take a moment to recognize your hard work. Seeing progress can help keep you motivated to continue. By adopting these techniques and strategies, you can break free from procrastination's grip and finally start accomplishing your goals with clarity and purpose. Remember, change doesn't happen overnight, but with consistent effort, staying focused will become second nature. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this guide helpful, check out my Student Academic Success ebook for even more tips and tricks to stay on top of your goals and crush procrastination once and for all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on social media for more videos. And as always, keep pushing forward. You've got this.